Students, today we are going to learn about procedure for settlement of deceased partner under Indian Partnership Act 1932. If any partner is died, his legal executor, his successor, his legal heir is entitled to capital to his credit, his share of general reserve and his share of profit. When it comes to his share of profit, we should be very careful. If any partner died on the balance sheet date, that is on the period ending date, he will get his share of profit fully. If he died particular date, if he died on particular date other than the balance sheet date, he will get the share of profit proportionately. Then he is entitled to revaluation profit or loss and we will settle the entire amount. The total interest of deceased partner will be ascertained and it will be transferred to his legal executor account. Students, let me solve one problem in relation to the settlement of deceased partner. Look at the problem. Settlement of deceased partner. Ratna, Bhaskar and Ibrahim are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:3:4. Ratna died. So Ratna, first one, deceased on 31st December 2018. Final amount due to her showed a credit balance of 1 lakh. So the total interest of the Ratna ascertained 1 lakh. Pass journal if the final amount is not paid immediately. So the final amount payable to Ratna executor not yet paid. So what is the entry? Case number 1. The entry is Ratna executor account debtor. Ratna executor account debtor to Ratna executor loan account. The value 1 lakh. Value 1 lakh. Narration. Ratna total interest not yet settled, transferred to her executor loan account. Case number 1. Case number 2. The final amount due paid by check. So we paid to legal executor by check. We settled. So the entry is Ratna executor account debtor. Ratna executor account debtor to bank, value 1 lakh. Ratna executor account settled. Third case, 60,000 paid immediately by check. So total interest payable to Ratna executor 1 lakh, of which 60,000 paid. So balance 40,000 transferred to Ratna executor loan account. The entry is Ratna executor account debtor. Ratna executor account debtor to bank. Total interest 1 lakh. By check paid 60,000. Balance transferred to Ratna executor loan account is 40,000. Narration. Ratna executor partly paid and balance transferred to his loan account. So we cannot make payment to the deceased one, so we can make payment to the legal heir. So if the amount is not paid immediately, the entry is legal executor account debtor to legal executor loan account. If it is paid by check immediately, legal executor account debtor to bank. If partly paid means legal executor account debtor to bank to legal executor loan account. Students, let me see one comprehensive problem in relation to the death of a partner. Students, let me see the first comprehensive problem on death of a partner. Look at the problem. Sum number 1. Sundar, Vivek and Pandian are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2:1. Their balance sheet as at 31st December 2018 is as under. Liability side, capital, general reserve, credit are given. Asset side, land, stock, debtor, bank, profit and loss account are given. Then Move to the adjustment. On 1st January 2019, Pandian died. So, the balance sheet date and the Pandian death date, both are same. The death date and balance sheet date, both are same. In this case, the profit share of deceased partner, the share of profit share of deceased partner, we can provide fully, yes. On his death, the terms are agreed upon. 1. Stock to be depreciated by 10%. Stock is an asset, value decreases, it is a loss item. Land appreciated by 11,000. Land is an asset, appreciated, increases, it is a profit item. Reduce the value of debtor. Debtor is asset, asset value decreases, it is a loss item. The final amount due to Pandian was not paid. So, Pandian died. Total interest of the Pandian should be transferred to his legal executor account. Here, the legal executor not yet settled. So, we should transfer the total interest payable to Pandian to his legal executor account. Yes. Prepare revaluation account, capital account and balance sheet after the death of a partner. Yes. First we are going to prepare revaluation account. For that we have to take loss items and profit item. In this problem there are two loss item, one profit item. The first loss item is to stock. To stock. Stock depreciated by 10%. So on 20,000, 10% is 2,000. 2,000. Then land appreciated by 11,000. So by land appreciated 11,000. Reduce the value of debtor means provision for doubtful debts. To provision for bad debts, we have to create for 3,000. In this problem, the profit item total higher than loss item total. So 11,000 minus 5,000, 6,000, that is revaluation profit. Revaluation profit should be transferred to all the partners, Sundar, Vivek and Pandian. Sundar, Vivek and Pandian in 3:2:1. So for Sundar 3,000, for Vivek 2,000, for Pandian 1,000. Ratio 3:2:1. Then we have to prepare capital account. For the preparation of capital account, we should read the problem from beginning to end. Yes, we'll start with the liability, capital account. Capital account transfer to the capital account credit side by balance BD. Sundar capital 50,000. Vivek capital 40,000. Pandian capital 10,000. Then general capital taken to the capital account, then general reserve. General reserve should be credited to the capital account in old ratio. Ratio 3:2:1. General reserve given 36,000. Ratio 3:2:1. Total shares are 6. So 6,000 into 3, 18,000 to Sundar, 12,000 to Vivek, 6,000 to Pandian. Then creditor will not come to capital account. Land, stock, debtor, bank will not come to profit loss account. Then we have to take profit and loss account. Profit and loss account given in the asset side, it should be debited in the capital account since it is a loss. To profit and loss account, it should be divided in 3:2:1. Since the partner died on the balance sheet date, so we can give full share of his profit. So the 6,000 should be divided in 3:2:1. So 3,000 to Sundar, 2,000 to Vivek, 1,000 to Pandian. Then move to the adjustment. Stock depreciated, it is a loss item. Land appreciated is a profit item. Reduce the value of debtor is a loss item. Then the final amount due to Pandian was not paid, that we will consider later. Before that, we will transfer the revaluation profit to the capital account. $3,000, 2,000 and 1,000. First we should close the deceased partner. Deceased partner is Pandian. So Pandian total share 17. Pandian total interest 17,000, of which 1,000 is debited. So balance we have 16,000. This total interest of the Pandian should be transferred to Pandian executor Pandian executor loan account. Pandian executor loan account. This is very important. The total interest of the Pandian should be transferred to his legal executor. Then we have to close the other partner capital account. First, Sundar. By balance PD 68,000, 52,000. Then we will prepare reconstituted firm's balance sheet. We will start with the assets. Land. Land old value 80,000. It has adjustment. Land value increases plus appreciation 11,000. So land new value 91,000. Then stock old value 20,000. It has adjustment depreciated by 10% minus depreciation 10%, 2,000. The remaining stock value 18,000. Then debtor old value 30,000 minus provision for bad and doubtful debts 3,000, balance 27,000. Reduce the value of debtor 3,000. This debtor we should consider as provision for bad and doubtful debts. Then bank has no adjustment. We can write the old value which is 14,000. Profit and loss account transfer to the capital account. In balance sheet it will not come. Then come to liability side. Liability side first item is capital. We need not to take a old capital. We will take a new capital of Sundar and Vivek. Sundar new capital 68,000. Vivek new capital 52,000. The total capital of Sundar and Vivek continuing partners are 1,20,000. General reserve transfer to the credit side of capital account. In new balance sheet it will not come. Then creditors. Creditor 14,000. Then before totaling the balance sheet we should go through the adjustment. Stock depreciated, it is a loss item and deducted from stock. Land appreciated, it is a profit item added with land in the balance sheet. Reduce the value of debtor, it is included in the loss item of revaluation and deducted from debtor. Then the final amount due to Pandian was not paid, so it was transferred to Pandian executor loan account. It will go to the new balance sheet liability side. Pandian executor loan account. Pandian's executor loan account, its value 16,000. The total balance sheet 1,50,000. Students, we completed first comprehensive problem on death of a partner. In next class we will solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.